Hello everyone and welcome to another video tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about the concept of building your own templates, modifying templates, and all things templates as it relates to you, the individual. We have other videos that talk about taking a template and making it available for everyone. So this is the Fellow interface, and it's really easy for you to make templates. So obviously, there's a default template, which is talking points and action items. Unless you've made some changes, that should be the template for mostly everywhere in the software. But let's make some changes. I don't like talking points. I'm just going to call this what's on your mind as an example. And the other thing I'm going to do is, this is great, but I'm going to introduce a new section. I love good news. Good news is one of my favorite things in the world. So I'm going to use this beautiful plus button over here. I'm going to click on header and type good news. And then, there is an opportunity to, and this is a really cool thing that you can do, by the way. If you press Shift Enter and you go to the next line and you start typing, it will allow you to type a description. So in this case, I'm going to type, let's see, I love good news. Everyone must contribute something. Yes, comma, everyone. Good. All right, that should make the message clear there. And so now what I can do is, again, I'm going to type slash and then click on this talking point. And there you have it. There I have a template. I like this template, and that's what I can use. So now, if I go to this triple dot menu over here, I can save this as a template. And if I click on Save as Template, I will look at it. Kind of looks exactly like what I have on screen. No surprise there. But the idea is you could do two things. You could just save it as a template, and it'll be available. By the way, you might want to change it. This one I can, for example, call Good News Template, right? And I can save it, and it'll be available for me, and I can reapply it every single time. But especially if this is a recurring event, what I might want to do is click on this button over here, and that will make sure that this template is auto-applied to every event in that recurring series. So very, very powerful feature. I'm going to press Save Template, and I just want to show you that that now exists. So I have this other meeting here, just as an example, and this meeting has our standard template. But if I go here and I press Apply a Template, then what I can do is I can go to My Templates, and there you have it. There's the Good News template. It talks about good news. I like it. All right, so there you go. Apply it, and it is applied. Okay, so now let's talk about another scenario. Say that you all of a sudden are running this template, and when you're having those meetings, people are typing in good news, but their good news is just not that good. So what do? Well, the answer is you change the template. So I'm going to go to the workspace settings here. Actually, I'm going to go to the user settings because this is a personal template. And I'm going to click on My Templates under User. And there's my Good News template. So I can do a bunch of things. I can click on it. And I'm going to go back and I'm going to say, this is really good news. I think that should drive the message home. So then I'm going to press Save Template. And from now on, that is the template that's going to be applied. So if you are in a recurring meeting, what will happen is, obviously, we're not going to go back and change the old things, because if you had something in the past and it was part of a meeting, we're not going to change history. But every new meeting as part of that recurring series will now have this really good news header instead. So that does it for this video. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.